Want to start selling digital products online but confused about which platform is best? Today we'll look at the top 3 beginner-friendly platforms creators are using right now to sell ebooks, templates, courses, presets, printables, and more. Let's break down the pros, cons, and who each platform is best for. Gumroad is one of the easiest platforms for beginners who want to start selling digital products quickly. The setup process is simple, and you can upload products within minutes without needing coding skills or a website. Many creators use Gumroad to sell ebooks, digital art, music, templates, memberships, and online guides. One reason people like Gumroad is because it handles payments, file delivery, and even discount codes automatically. It also allows creators to build an email list from customers, which is very useful for long-term growth. The platform is clean and simple, making it perfect for solo creators and side hustlers. However, Gumroad takes transaction fees from every sale, especially for new sellers. The customization options are also limited compared to building your own website. Still, for beginners who want a fast and simple launch, Gumroad is a strong option. Etsy is mostly known for handmade products, but it has also become a huge marketplace for digital downloads. Many sellers make passive income by selling printable planners, invitation templates, resume designs, Canva templates, and digital artwork. The biggest advantage of Etsy is traffic. Millions of buyers already search on Etsy every day, so beginners can get views without building an audience from scratch. If your product has good SEO keywords and attractive thumbnails, Etsy can bring consistent sales over time. But competition on Etsy is very high. Thousands of sellers may offer similar products, so standing out can be difficult. Etsy also charges listing fees and transaction fees, which can reduce profit margins. Even so, for creators who want access to a large marketplace immediately, Etsy is a powerful platform. Payhip is another beginner-friendly platform designed specifically for digital creators. It allows users to sell digital downloads, memberships, coaching sessions, and even online courses from one dashboard. One great feature of Payhip is that it includes marketing tools like affiliate systems, coupon codes, and email updates. The platform also gives more store customization compared to Gumroad, helping creators build a more branded experience. Payhip is especially good for people who want a balance between simplicity and professional features. The downside is that it may not have as much built-in traffic as Etsy, meaning creators usually need social media or YouTube promotion to drive sales. If we look at the chart, we can clearly understand how each platform performs in different areas. Gumroad is the most beginner-friendly option. It's simple, fast to set up, and perfect if you want to start selling without any technical work. Etsy stands out because of its strong built-in traffic. It already has millions of active buyers, so your digital products can get discovered much faster if optimized properly. Payhip is more balanced. It doesn't bring much organic traffic, but it gives you better branding control and useful marketing tools like coupons and affiliate systems, which help you grow long-term. If you want the easiest setup, Gumroad is probably the best choice. If you want free marketplace traffic, Etsy can help you get discovered faster. And if you want more branding and marketing tools, Payhip is a strong middle ground option. At the end of the day, the best platform depends on your product type and marketing strategy. The important thing is to start selling and keep improving over time. Which platform would you choose for selling digital products online? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Digital Product Hustle for more online business and passive income content.